Welcome to the Brew Shed. This is our first YouTube video. We're going to be talking about all things brewing. This is a red rye IPA that we made a few weeks ago in our shop in the Motley Brew. And today we're going to talk about different types of crystal malts. Crystal malts go from 10 to 120. They're graded in Lavibond and EBC. Lavibond is the different colours, so a crystal 10 would be a very light colour, a crystal 120 would be a dark red colour. After you finish with your crystal malts, you go into darker malts. This is brown malt, and this is roast barley. Roast barley is probably the most common malt used in stouts in Ireland. It's used in Murphy's, Beamish and Guinness. Now I'm going to show you what colours each malt gives you. So we'll start off with the lightest malt, Crystal 10. This will give you like a lager colour. To get the different colours, we're going to add some water. We've heated this water up to 80 degrees, and we're just going to add some water just to show the different colours. Takes a minute or so just to get the colours out. So we'll just leave it settle here on the table. So this is a Crystal 10. This here is a Crystal 40. And the next one here is a Crystal 60. As you can see here, it's getting darker as the crystals are, as they're going from 10 to 120, they're getting darker. And our last one here is Crystal 120. Crystal 120 will give you a red colour, similar to Smithwick's or an Irish red ale or an English bitter. As I say, it takes a minute or so just to get the colours out. And we have our brown malt here. Brown malt will be used in brown ales such as Newcastle brown ale and English style beers like that. So this should, as it says on the tin, basically give a brown colour. And then our last one here is roasted barley. As I was saying, roasted barley is used in stout. Roasted barley gives the black colour and the sort of the burnt kind of roast taste in stout. I know you can't smell it, but you get that instant kind of burnt kind of smell of it when you're adding the water to it, and you can see it's instantly gone black. Crystal malts, you often hear of caramel flavours in beer. The caramel flavours come from the caramel malts. So crystal malts will be classed as caramel malts. So when you're making beer, you have three different ingredients, three main ingredients, which are your yeast, your barley and your hops. And when you're tasting beer, you're getting that sweetness, that caramelly kind of syrupy kind of taste. That's what's coming from your crystal malts. So now, as you can see, our Crystal 10 here is a really light colour. It'll give like a similar colour to Budweiser, American style sort of lagers and kind of that style of beer. Then you have your Crystal 40, which is kind of an orangey red colour, which is going to give you sort of like a sunrise kind of orangey colour. Now I know it's quite dark here because it is quite a lot of grain for a small amount of water, but it will give you a sort of an orangey colour. Then you have your Crystal 60, which is giving you a darker orange again, you know, similar to a deep orange colour. And then you have your Crystal 120, which is giving you your dark red colour. Now these will all give you sort of caramel flavours in your beers. Then over here you have your brown malt. Your brown malt, as I say, is used in sort of brown ales and that kind of thing. As you can see, it's a dark brown colour. And then our last one here is roast barley. Roast barley is giving you bitterness and black colour. So as you can see, just a short video just to show you what each of the different malts does for your beer, adding colour and flavour. So thank you for watching our video. Would you please like, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.